this. Some of you at home have beard trimmers and neck trimmers. This is when you're gonna utilize this for your person. With Lisa, I keep it really soft around the sides. I don't edge it up, but for your person, you probably will want to get in there with clippers and see where your lines are and kind of create that little space and go up over their ears. And this is where you can be really creative. Just look at what is left from your first party of the clipper cut and just take that little part off, okay? Don't go in too hard, really light. See how I got this? Really, really light when you're going in, therefore avoiding any mistake. All right, and for the rest of you people who have clipper cuts or you just have short hair, this is a really important piece that I'm gonna give you right now. I'm gonna send you a link to the Amazon feather razor that I use in my daily life that I've told all my clients to use on a regular basis. But all of the stuff in the back of the neck, the fuzzy hair, for all my guys, all my girls, everybody, all the way down to here. This feather razor right here, there is no way that you can harm yourself unless you're really trying to. So this is something that you can do all over with safety. And this gets off all of that fuzz around here, and that you should be able to do for your person and for each other until I see you back in the salon. Feather razor, I'll give you a link to this, and it's super easy. When you take it up, you just wanna bring it down as if you're shaving something off. Just doing your little shaving off this, and you really can't screw that up. You don't need to bring that into the big part of the hair, the main part of the hair, you just need it on the sides. Okay, everybody, that's my helpful hints for you while you're at home.